Hi, it's Kayla from the Salty Yankee, and this is the Design Space tutorial for the Pilgrim hat, place setting, and candy holder. There is an assembly video that goes with this that's also on my YouTube channel. So first we're going to upload the file. I'm going to come down here to upload, and I'm going to pull it from my file library right here. And I'm going to click continue, and you can name it whatever you want here and click upload. So it's going to come in small like this. So all my files, all my 3D files, they do have text on it that remind you what the size needs to be. You can, of course, make this larger if you want to. Just keep in mind that you only have that 11.5 space for a mat. So we're going to set the file to 14 wide by 8 tall. So as long as you have your dimensions locked, if you change it to 14 wide and hit enter, it's going to change it also to 8 tall. So here it is sized. We're going to ungroup everything and go ahead and delete this text. We don't need it anymore. This is sized appropriately. And first thing we're going to want to do is attach our dashed lines. So in this piece, and this piece, we need to attach the lines. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then later I'll show you how to change the size for the candy if you want to do something else, and also how to remove this place setting feature if you just want a solid top. But first, let's attach the line. So let's click our piece. Now I've already got it grouped for you, so all you have to do is click this and hit attach. And that's it. Click this, attach, click this, attach, and that's it. So if you want to make the project as is, you can just hit make, and this is ready to go. Now, let's say you wanted to do a printed name. So you've got a blank place setting right here. So what you can do is, I'm going to ungroup this. I'm going to pull the top one off. You'll still want these bottom two for dimension. And you can add text. I'm going to put a name here and choose my font and move it up here. Make it the color and the size that you want. That, and I'm going to make it orange. And then all you got to do is select this all and hit flatten right here. And so that will be a print then cut. So now when you go to make, the first mat is going to be ready to print. So let's go back and make some edits to this. Okay, so first thing is, let's say you don't want to do the place setting. So of course you would delete all of this. And then up here, the only thing you would need to do is find the piece. So here's this group right over here. Press this arrow to open it. Here is the group that has all of these lines, the dotted lines. Just need to find the one that looks like this. It's the two little semicircles right here. Just click that and hit delete. And that's just gone. Now you have a solid top. So if you don't want the place setting, that's how you do that. So let's say you want to make this for a different candy that isn't this size. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to go to the shape right here. Make sure that it is not attached yet. Okay. And then we're going to ungroup. So we're going to click here to ungroup so we can select just this gray one. And we're going to go to contour, and we're going to get rid of this circle on the inside. So just click the circle, okay? And when you come back, it's solid in the center. So if you want to do no candy at all, just leave it solid. But if you do have a candy, let's grab a circle, and I'm going to make it red so we can see what we're doing. Measure your candy at the base. And you want to make the circle a little bit bigger. So say it's 0.5 inches, you want to make it 0.6 and so on. So measure your candy. Let's say it was 0.5. So let's bring this down and make it 0.6. That would be really small. Maybe you could do 3 Hershey Kisses, like this. But however you want to arrange them on here. I'm going to do one right in the center, like you wanted to do one tiny little Hershey Kiss in the middle. And all you have to do is click your red circle, hold shift, and click the gray piece. So you're selecting both. Go to combine and subtract. So now you've cut that circle into that piece. Now the only thing you'll have to do now is that brings it to the front in Design Space, so now your lines are below it. So all you have to do now, leave it in place, don't move it around, click this piece, go to Arrange and Send to Back. And so now your lines are on top again. You can select it and you can hit Attach and it's ready to cut. And that's all you got to do. Then send it to the Cricut, cut it out, and then go check out the assembly video for this to make the project to the end. Thanks. Bye.